Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Deborah and I do clothing unboxings. And today I have Oliver. Oliver's with me and he's in a very playful mood. I have a Fashom box to show you today. I think it's been about 3 to 4 weeks since I got my last Fashom. Now, Fashom is a relatively new subscription service. Actually, it's not a subscription because you don't sign up for like a monthly box. You request every time you want a box. The first 2 months are free, no styling fee, and after the first 2 months, the styling fee is $15, which then of course would be applied to anything you decided to purchase. And if you sign up using my link that I'll have in the description below, you get a $10 credit off your first box. So, and this is my third box and I've really liked these boxes so far. I've kept, I think, 3 items out of each box, and you do get a 25% discount if you keep 3. Free shipping both ways. You get a little packet of information. Got my invoice and instructions on what to do. Okay, also with Fashom, you actually get to see what's coming in your box in advance, because when you request to be styled, you get about 8 items to choose from, and you pick 5 items to be shipped to you. So here's the invoice. It lists the 5 things. I have had it before where it said something had to be replaced, like if it was out of stock, but it looks like everything here is what I saw in the preview. Okay, let's see what we got. Here's the bundle. Let's see the other side. Okay, the first item, black leggings with this leather detail. I definitely do not have anything like that. They're by Carmen. I'm not sure how I feel about that. But they're cute. I'll have to see them once I try them on. Now this blouse, I saw someone else get it, Tisha H, and it's really cute with this little peplum around the bottom. And I like the stripes and the color. Oh, and this is cute. I love gray and white stripes. Looks like it's so soft. Looks like it's a long sleeve knit top. But it must be like brushed knit. It's incredibly soft. It's by Natural Life Clothing. That's really cute. Ooh, look at this floral. It's by Skies Are Blue. Look at those colors. Really pretty. Looks like 3/4 length sleeves. Little keyhole top right. Keyhole opening here. That is really pretty. Okay, and one more. This is by Gilli. It's a wrap top. I think it's either gray or olive. I think it's olive, maybe, like a dark olive with little tiny stripes. And then it looks like it's a little longer in the back with the wrap in the front. Okay, I'll try everything on. Okay, I'm back with the first item. I've got on the faux leather panel leggings, size small in black. They are $42. Oliver did chew a piece out of my invoice, but nothing pertinent is missing. Now these leggings, let me put this down a little. They are cute. They're kind of long, and I tried to pull them up so they wouldn't be bunched up around the ankle, around my booties, because I don't have tall boots in black. So that might be cute, but the panel is, if you can see, it is cute down the side. And they are comfy. I just tried them on with the sweater I was wearing because I thought all the other tops I got would look better with jeans. I don't think I need these because I do wear jeans all the time. This might be a nice option. So let me know what y'all think. They are a little bit bunched around the ankles. So I'll have to think about it. Okay, I have on the first top. It is the Natural Life Striped High-Low Sweater. Oh, it's called a sweater. It feels more like a knit. In size small for $38. It really is soft. I like the stripes. I love gray and white together. I'm not the biggest fan of these drop shoulder styles, but at least it's not tight. So I think that's okay. The length is good. It is a little longer in the back, and I'm telling you, I don't know if I've ever felt a softer shirt. It really is nice. So I think this will be a keeper. Okay, I have on the little floral top. It's by Skies Are Blue. Floral printed top, size small in the color vanilla, and it's $38. This is so pretty. I love that print. I love the colors. I love how the blue looks great with jeans. I really should have ironed it. It's very wrinkled. And it is kind of thin. I've got a nude cami on under it. It's got these two little buttons here, little covered buttons. So it might look, let's see how it looks if you unbutton these and just have it kind of open. It probably looks better buttoned. What do y'all think? But it's a really cute top. I like it. And after I iron it, it'll look a little better. Okay. Okay, I have on the top by Gilli. It's the Gilli wrap front top, size small. It is olive. Olive and ivory, it says. You know, I love the concept of a wrap top, and I like the way it looks from the front. But look from the side. That's not flattering. Maybe if it was a little smaller, but it fits perfectly in the arms, so I just don't think that's gonna work. It's a little low too. It's cute otherwise, just that bulk from the side. What do y'all think? Okay, I have, I think, one more. Okay, the last top, it is Crescent Justine Ruffled Hem Sweater Top in small. The color's mauve, and it's $28. I really thought I was gonna like this. It's so cute. But look how wide that is. I love the idea of the little white peplum at the bottom. But I just don't think that's flattering either. I actually may not keep 3 items. I'll have to think. And tell me what y'all think. Do you think that's unflattering? Yeah, look at that. I probably wouldn't wear it. So, all right, I'll be back with a recap. Okay, the subtotal of all 5 items is $180. Now, if you keep 3 or more, you get the discount. If I kept all 5, the 25% discount would be $45. So I could get all 5 pieces for $135, which really is a good deal. It's much better prices than I usually get in my Stitch Fix boxes. Now these black leggings, I don't know if I would wear these. They are cute and it would be something different. I'd love to hear what y'all think of these because I'm just not sure about that. They are $42. This one, this is a yes. It's so soft. It's just the perfect top to wear with jeans. You could wear it with booties or sneakers. And that was $38, so that's a yes. This one is this is a very strong possibility, probably a yes. And I think it was also $38. This one is probably a no, just because of the way it hung in the front there. But otherwise it's cute. And that was also $38. No, that was $34. And then this one, also probably a no. It just, did not fit right. It was so wide. And it was $28. So I may not get the discount this time, but that's okay. The prices are still really good. Let me know below what you think. I'd love your opinion on which item you liked the best. I have a couple of days before I have to send the box back, so y'all can help me decide. I may end up just keeping the gray top, because I really do like that one. Thanks for watching today. That's it for my Fashom box. If you liked this video, I hope you'll give me a thumbs up and subscribe below if you want to see more from me.